Good evening. How are you doing?
Yeah, good evening. Hi Ajay, how are you?
I'm doing pretty well, buddy. What about you?
Yes, I'm also fine, thank you.
Okay, so can you just introduce yourself so the watchers will know about you and me also? I will also introduce after you.
Yes, definitely, I'll let you know. So, my name is Sahil. I belong to Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my study. Now, I am working in a company which is a call center. Like, I am working in corporate sector. Apart from this, I am working on my English. That is all about that is all about me. Thank you.
Okay, nice to meet you, Sahil, first of all. And I'm looking forward to speaking with you. And one thing also you did not mention about your YouTube channel. You are running
Yes,
a
yes,
YouTube
I
channel
forgot.
also.
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm a YouTuber. I keep uploading the videos related to job, and now I have thought, I will upload the videos related to English as well. So I will upload two types of content on my YouTube because English, my uh, my content is related to job. So in job, we need English. So both are in a same way.
Definitely, I think I could not agree more. You are absolutely right. Like, if you want to crack any job, so at that time you need English language, you need communication skills, and English is a part of a communication skill. So, I think I should also introduce myself. So, my name is Ajay Kumar Yadav, and I belong to Dehradun city of Uttarakhand state. And if I talk about my profession, so I am a student and these days, I am running a YouTube channel, and the name of the YouTube channel is AJ Speaking in English, where I am making conversational videos these days.
Okay, that's great. Yeah, like before 2 days, I was searching something, so I got your videos. Then I subscribed. So directly, I got your number, so it was very helpful for me. So directly, I texted you, like I'm interested to make a conversation video with you. Now I am making it. Thank you for sharing your number. Like you have directly shared your number. Anyone can contact with you directly. So that's great thing.
Yeah, it means a lot for me. Like you are so excited to talk to me, so I am also like really excited to talk to you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, after a long time, I am making this conversation video.
Mm.
Yes. But now from today onwards, I will start this series. Like every day, I will make a conversation video.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. I think, or I think when we interact with another person on a video call, so while making the conversation, we learn a lot because if I'm talking with you right now, so I am like right now here, like my mind is not preoccupied. Generally, what happens? People make a conversation on an audio call, and at that time, what happens? They are taking a walk or they are making a food, they are doing some kind of a things, and while doing that thing simultaneously they are talking with another person, so it helps a lot, I think, in my opinion. Yeah.
Yes, yes. If I tell you something like when I was not active on social media, so I was very side type of person. Like I used to get hesitate I talk to any person, but now there is nothing like that. I can communicate with anyone, maybe girl or boy. So like I can give my interview. Before that, uh, I was very nervous when I appeared in front of interviewer and talk to anyone. But
Mm.
now I am practicing every day. That's why I have improved a lot.
Yeah, yeah, I think practice is the key. I think if you want to become and if you want to achieve anything in this world, so you have to practice a lot, I think, in my opinion. And there is a really beautiful thing you said, like you were an introvert person. You were an introvert person, and I was like when I started my English journey, I was also exactly like you. I was a really introvert person at that time. So I would like to ask you, how did you overcome your shyness? Means which kind of a things did you do at that time, because it's really hard for any individual to come out from their comfort zone.
Yes, exactly. So first of all, I started. uploading the videos on YouTube. Apart from this, I used to practice of English. There is an application so where I used to practice every day. So and mostly social media is helped me a lot uh, to improve, to remove our hesitation. And every day we were practicing of English, and we are thinking, like I have set in my mind, it doesn't matter what people will think. Only whatever I want to express my thoughts, we can share. We don't need to think about other people, what people will think. But in starting times, I was thinking like this. So, but I I have strong goals, like I have to achieve something in my life. So I came out of my comfort zone. So now I am working. I don't think about people, what people will think. Only I am agree with my perspective, then it's okay. I don't need to think about other people.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. You're absolutely right, I think. And most of the time, people do not want to come out from their comfort zone because they are enjoying and they are just like they just want to stay in your comfort zone. And that is the reason I think most of the learner, I think they are too good in English, but they don't have any kind of a confidence also, and that's why they are unable to speak in English, or they don't have any good communication skills. Maybe they have, but they because they are not exposing towards English language, or they are not communicating with other person. So that's why not becoming. This is the main issue, and for any like introvert person, it is like a really difficult task, I think, to interact with someone.
Yes, yes, okay. So Ajay, I would like to know about your hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time?
So if I talk about 6 months ago, so I used to watch so many movies. I used to read a lot of books, and I am a type of a guy like who likes everything. Like if I am looking on any sketch also, so I am really I just want to do sketching. If I'm listening to the song, so at that time I start singing the song. Maybe I am a very bad singer, but I do it just for me. Sometimes I dance a lot. Sometimes I try to do dubbing, something like that. Sometimes like there's so many passion inside me. But if I talk about these days, so I think these days I am just trying to enhance my communication skills. And whenever I get free time, so at that time I am just talking with someone, or I am using some kind of a application to interact with strangers. Or sometimes I talk with, sometimes I call my friends and I just start talking. I just start gossiping at that time. I really like gossiping. I'm a really curious person, and when I start speaking these days, so I'm not going to stop also. I just want to know everything about another person because so curious I am right now.
Yes, yes, that's great thing. So as you mentioned in your hobbies, like you used to like watching movies. So which type of movies did you watch?
So many movies, I think every genre, I think every genre I like. Especially for me, I think I really like those movies which gives me some kind of a good feeling. I think, for example, if I will give you the name, so there is a movie called The Shawshank Redemption. It is a Hollywood movie, and I think it is the best movie ever made in this whole world. Like it's so nice movie. And there are movies called Whiplash. I really like that movie. And if I talk about Bollywood movies, so there is a movie called Fire, Earth, and another is also there, I think, Water. So this is a trilogy created by Deepa Mehta. So it is also like really great. And I'm a great fan of dark movies also, for example, and reality based movies, for example. So many kind of movies I like to watch, or South Indian movies also I like to watch. And I will give you so many names.
Okay, okay, yes. You would have a lot of favorite movies. Yes, if I talk about me, so I am big fan of Hollywood movies.
Hmm.
So I used I keep watching Hollywood movies, like adventure, scientific movies, and action thriller. All the things, like I am big fan of Marvel series. You know Marvel
Oh.
series.
Hmm. My
Yes,
friend is a fan of a Marvel. Like he's like you can say fanatics of Marvel.
yes. There is one character in Marvel like Thor. So I am big fan of Thor. Thor, I have watched all the movies of Thor. So it is a great character in Marvel. Yes,
Definitely, I think amazing character. There are a lot of qualities in Thor. I think, in my opinion, like first, he's too handsome. He's like
yes,
great muscles, and the way he interacts with another person. Also, he's little bit egoistic. Sometimes he's too humble.
yes,
Like it's
yes,
amazing character also. And the main thing is like he's the like a god of thunder. So
yes,
amazing.
yes.
But I like Loki a lot. Loki. I
Lock it.
really like that.
Yes,
He's like
his
mischievous, some
brother.
kind of. Mhm. Yeah.
Yes, you can say it has a little character in front of her, and I like Thor's hammer when he put his hammer and he creates thunder effect, and this moment
Thunderstorm.
I
Yeah.
like the most.
Yeah, definitely. I think it's so amazing. I think, and sometimes when he calls his hammer and the hammer is coming, so that is also too cool. I think, in my opinion.
Yes. So when you watch any Hollywood movies, so do you watch in English or in Hindi language?
I used to watch movies in Hindi language, but these days I'm watching movies in English language.
At this moment, there is a monkey who is going through to another place.
Oh my.
But now I'm sitting quiet, so I'm not watching watching monkey. So just I'm making conversation. And now he's sitting in front of me, like 5 to 10 meters.
Oh my God.
Yes, if
I don't
we
know.
make eye contact, so might be he can uh, come to
Attack
me and
you.
can.
Yeah. Yeah, I think the situation you are having right now. I think I also faced that situation. I think when I was making a conversation with someone, I think a few days back, I think I was on my rooftop, and after that, I was talking with someone, and suddenly I saw there was a monkey like just 10 meters away from me, and I felt like too scared at that time. My heart started beating fast, and like those 10 seconds was really well, like I was feeling so vulnerable at that time, and like I cannot explain right now. But after
I
that,
was
it was yeah. The moment had gone at that time, and I felt, oh my God, that is good. But in
yes.
case of, I think animals, if you are not bothering them, so they are not going to bother you also.
Yes, that it copies like they copy you what you do. They will do the same.
Yeah. And one question also is coming in my mind: are you scared of monkeys?
No, no, I'm not scared. If we have any stick in my hand, I don't scare
Oh, that is
because
really.
in
Mhm.
my area there are a lot of monkeys. So it has become a habit. So I know like how can we make them terrible. So how can make them
Mhm.
like understand how can we handle them.
Definitely. I think I agree with your point, and like you must have a lot of experience, so that is really good. I think.
Yes, yes. So it has become a great thing to upload on YouTube. Like when we upload any videos on YouTube, we get motivation, we get confidence. Like we should make another video of conversation. So it is a great thing. Like social media has become a good option for everyone. We are using as a positive. We are using as a negative. So it is very harmful for people.
Mm. And one thing also, like when I started making conversational videos, so at that time I wanted to interact with few YouTubers. Means 4 months ago, I used to watch a lot of YouTubers' videos, and I wanted to interact with them. So I was thinking, how should I interact with them? So I thought YouTube will be a really great medium. And because of YouTube,
Yes.
I think I interacted with them, and I felt so happy. Like, and I have learned so many things from them. And day by day, when I interact with another person, so I learn a lot of things. So it is so great. I think because of YouTube, I think I am trying to enhance my communication skills, and I'm working on myself every day.
Yes, thank you, brother, for joining, for having me. So it was a great conversation with you.
And yeah, buddy, like it was a really mind blowing conversation with you, and you are a really kind hearted person. And I hope you will achieve your all dreams and you will soon become a really great speaker. So thank you so much, and definitely we will meet again in future. Bye
Yes,
bye.
definitely. Yes, bye. Thank you.